Hey everyone, this is Amrutha. Welcome back to my channel. As a couple, we always dreamt of traveling. As a part of living our dreams, here we are in Thailand, land of smiles. Spending 10 best days of our life, we covered Bangkok, Krabi, Phi Phi and Phuket by experiencing breathtaking skywalk, feeding tiger cub, gorgeous pristine beaches, long tail boat rides, shopping in the largest markets, delicious Thai cuisine, snorkeling, relaxing Thai massages and many more. The only way to hold this awesome time spent is just by capturing it. So we tried to record everything possible. Enjoy watching our Thailand travel series by subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. Welcome to Phi Phi. From Krabi we came by this ferry and waterway is the only commute option to reach Phi Phi. Here we need to pay 20 baht per person for waste management. Some people are waiting here with hotel name placards, so let's see a hotel name is there or not. We found him and now he is leading us to the hotel. There are no vehicles allowed in this island. And we reached our hotel. Check these prices and timings for the ferry. It is very important to plan according to the ferry timings. Here is a quick room tour. Good, they have a dryer. And now we are ready to explore the nightlife of Phi Phi.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to SLINKY Beach Bar. The fire show is now about to commence.
Daily around 8:30 there will be a fire show with free entry. You can opt to buy some drinks. Non-alcoholic beverages also available for people like us. Vibe of nightlife in Phi Phi Island. You can try this for a free shot. If you are a party person, give this video a big thumbs Good morning, it's 6 a.m. Most of the tourists after night parties in Island will be sleeping now, but we are up and about to hike to see an amazing view. I can see the viewpoint board. Everywhere there are maps and boards to guide you, so we reached here easily. As far as we know, it will take around 20 to 30 minutes to reach the viewpoint 1. From there again 10 to 15 minutes to reach the viewpoint 2. Ticket for this is 30 baht and this is the viewpoint number 1. Let's see around. From here itself it looks so beautiful. They made this garden so beautifully. And the view is completely worth the hike. This will be a must visit place whenever you are here. The best time to visit this place would be around sunrise and sunset, or in the morning light, so that you can take good pictures. So now it's time for some pictures. Let me take some pictures. And then we started hiking to viewpoint number 2. In general, I love the morning weather, and how can I miss this time with an amazing top view of the island? If you are also a morning person, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to bring water and wear comfortable shoes. And we are almost there. And look at this view. This is so good. And this is the best place to get your photo shoots done. And now we are back at the hotel and I'm hungry, so let's dig in. Food is ready, and somehow we missed booking with complimentary breakfast. So for breakfast we have paid 150 baht per person. And after having breakfast we are planning to go to the beach. And here we are. Look at this background. We checked out our hotel and going to the north side of the island, where we'll be spending one day in a resort, just chilling, doing nothing. These resort people will arrange a long tail boat for you, but you need to pay. And here we are in Phi Phi ERAWAN resorts in Phi Phi. Let's go and see inside. And there is a pool, but I don't think we'll get into this. There are some kayaking sets and the snorkeling gear also they will be providing, but I think they will charge. And let's go and see a room. Oh nice, they have given umbrellas also. There is a fridge. There are some rope. Oh nice. There's a light also. Some basic. Oh. The view is nice. This is so cute. And let's check out the bathroom. That's good, and the basic stuff, all the shampoo, body lotion and all. And see, they have given this sewing kit. I never saw in hotels. Everything they are providing, even the earbuds and all. So thoughtful. And that's me. Hi. And I will meet you outside in a bit. Now we just came out for lunch. There are only 2-3 restaurants apart from the resort dining. We read some good reviews about the Mama Ping restaurant, so we are just trying to go there. So peaceful and lonely. I think this place would be better for couples, for honeymoon, Family is also nice, so quiet and peaceful. I think we found this Mama Ping restaurant. Let's go and have some food. And today I want to eat Thai curry rice. After a quick power nap, I wanted to practice some snorkeling. So let's go and practice. Ending our day with pad thai noodles. A good day should start with good food. Good morning. Today is day 7. There's a wide variety of food for complimentary breakfast. Look at my view. We checked out the room and going to see 3 places: Maya Bay, Viking Caves and Pileh Lagoon on Phi Phi Island. I hope I'm pronouncing correctly. Near Mama Ping restaurant there will be these long tail boat persons, so you can talk with them, decide the places and the prices, but don't forget to bargain. These are the Viking caves. And we are reaching the second spot. Look, so many people are snorkeling there. And this is the second place, Pileh Lagoon.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth.
And this looks perfect for pictures. So we took some pictures. And it's time for snorkeling.
Might just waste away, don't know what life will be. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you.
If you are like me, you can ask this kind of tube. They will give you the snorkeling gear, the glasses and all, but I don't like to use others. So I purchased one from Decathlon.
Don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna be down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get old, hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
Hey, have you spotted the parrotfish? If yes, give this video a big thumbs up.
Blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just you can
And the last stop for this day is Maya Bay. Actually, Maya Bay is closed for visitors. That means you cannot go and get down. But from a distance, we can see and snorkel here. So again, we are going for snorkeling.
down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when
I'm done with snorkeling for the day. I'm so tired. But see, Dileep is still going.
Colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah.
So Dileep also done with snorkeling, and now we are going to TONSAI Pier. From there we'll go to Phuket. So see you all in Phuket. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
News got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying.